Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I already showed that how to make the primers for normal amplification, and in this tutorial video I'll show you that how to make how to make the primers for the addition and deletion mutation. And in this video I'll show only the small fragment deletion and addition. Maybe later on I will show another video for the large fragment, how to make the primer for the large fragment deletion and addition. So let's move on to the tutorial part. So for example, in this Snapgene file I want to delete some small fragment. For example, this 3 fragment I want to delete. Okay, so for that you have to delete it directly from your keyboard. So just press the delete button, so it will be deleted from your plasmid. Okay, so this part from here it's already deleted. So now you have to make the primers. Now you have to make the primers from here. Okay, these primers I can make. Make sure that how much is the TM, that is 63, that is reasonable, and 1 binding site, that is actually very important. Primer 1X mutation forward, add primers. But another important points I want to mention here: for the large primer we have to check the part of the primer it's any binding site or not. For example, just check in this small fragment that for this small fragment is there any binding site or not. So for that you can copy top strand and paste here. So it's showing that only one match, so it means like there is only one binding site. That's okay. So let's take another small fragment. This fragment also you can take. This is also one match, no problem. Okay, so this primer is fine. So another primer I have to make, the reverse primer. Bottom strand, so this is on binding site also. So primer on X mutation reverse. So you see here, so also this part also you have to check that for the large primer I have to check also this part. So that you can copy bottom strand 3' to 5'. Okay, 3' to 5'. No matches were found. No matches found. So it's fine. So you can see right now. So so in this part, in the primer there is no no binding site. So in the primer, that part is deleted. So that part will not bind in the primer. So this is actually right way to delete any part from your plasmid. So let's for example, I want to make one addition mutation. So for that you want to add what fragment you want to add. So for example, I want to add here A T C G. This 4 fragment I want to add here. So insert. Then you have to make the primer from here. One binding site and another primer, reverse primer. This is also one binding site. So you can check partly. You can check part of this primer whether is there any second binding site or not. No match is found. It means this primer also it is good. It is perfect. You can check also this one. Only one binding site. Right? So it means that this is perfect, no problem. So I guess you already understand that how I made this kind of mutation. In case of the deletion mutation, you have to delete it from your plasmid, and then you have to make the primer, forward and reverse primer. And for the addition also as well, you have to add what fragment you want to add. You have to add in your plasmid file, Snapgene file, and then after that you have to make the primer. And I already told that in my previous video that this kind of primer, there is one of the advantage that after transformation you no need for additional ligation. So after transformation, this because of this complementary strand, that's why this primer for this kind of primer, after transformation it will automatically join this fragment and it will make the complete plasmid. Okay, thanks guys. I hope this video will be helpful.